Okay, let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Thanks, Kimberly Black. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 1. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. That's 75 in total. All of them are 75. We got police cars, pickups, SUVs, wagons, limos, sedans, sports cars, muscle cars, and more. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look at them for a while. Thanks, Taryn. I love that. I have good work, everybody. Thank you. I really love it. Thanks. Thank you, Taryn Holman. Just take a look at them for a while. I'm going to show you the two at a time, so you'll see one for a few moments. Ram 1500, Oldsmobile, Mercedes-Benz, Lincoln, oh yeah, Jeep, International, Humvee, Hummer, GMC, Ford, Ford, Dodge, Datsun, Chrysler, Chevrolet, Cadillac. That's what you see earlier. Okay, now let's look all the way up. The satellite view. Here's a view. Here's a better view. A better view. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, everybody. I did a good job on these stuff. All right. Now we got it. All right. That's police vehicle. Okay, now let's look at the rear now. Look at the back. The back view. Once again. This is a mail truck. A limo. Oh yeah. Yup, this is a limo. Pickup trucks are popular in North America. Everybody drives one now. Look. The Mess minifan Chrysler Pacifica. It's really dark. You can't see that from far away. It looks like a stealth vehicle or something, like an F-22 Raptor. A stealth car or something. Look at that color. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. All right. Look at that pickup truck right here now. Dodge Ram SRT10. Dodge Ram. Everybody loves bad boys like this one. Durango, the best SUV by Dodge Charger, the police vehicles. Oh yeah, look at the Force, the best-selling pickup truck. Yup, this is my creation. This is what I did today. A black permanent marker. It will never come off. It looks good. I want to look good. Oh yes, everybody. It will look good, very good. Undercover police cars or civilians. Oh yeah, for 2021. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator, Lincoln Continental. Oh yeah, that's everybody's favorite from 1964. There it is. Mercedes-Benz. Oldsmobile Cutlass and the station wagon. Then we have the Ram pickup truck, Motor Trend Truck of Year 2019. Then Volkswagen. Those are the Volkswagens, the 5 Volkswagens. Oh yeah, everybody. Oh yeah. Here's another shot. Okay, let's take a look at the top. Oh yes, this is what my hobby when I was bored. Now They look nice and shiny when I do that stuff. They look shiny, more better than a Sharpie marker. It's more better. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna keep them forever because it's custom. Paint job. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that truck. A Dodge. Oh yeah, look at those vans. Alright, let's do this. $75 cars in total. Oh yeah, everybody. 75 cars in total. Oh yes, this is my artwork, my thing when I'm bored. But I'm sorry. This is fun anyway. I have lots of fun doing that. It looks shiny. Very shiny. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, the sides now. Alright, the sides. Yep, that's the sides. Alright. Okay. There you have it, folks. 75 cars painted with my own black marker. It will never come off. It will be in good condition for the rest of my life. I'll keep them forever. They look good and custom. Good night. Stay safe out there.